Good morning, dear students. You're most welcome in another chapter of mathematics, that is linear inequations. I hope you all are safe and happy at your home. चलिए start करते हैं linear inequations. What do you mean by linear? Very first, we need to understand what is the meaning of linear inequations. Very first word linear. Definitely it is represent a line, and line in the sense 1 degree polynomial is representing linear. 1 degree polynomial in the sense ax plus b, it is a linear polynomial, you can say. When the word inequations becomes with it, so either this will be equal to or greater than or less than equal to, greater than equal to. Is there in doubt? These two signs will just justify the inequation word. Is it clear? So two things: linear inequations, linear in the sense 1 degree, inequation the sign with the sign inequation. Is it clear? Exactly, inequation and equal. Suppose I am writing x is equal to 5. Try to understand here. X is equal to 5 means there is one answer, one definite value of the x is here. If suppose I am writing x is greater than 5 or x is less than 5, when I am writing x is greater than 5, so you can write a set. Suppose we are just talking about the integers, so it will be 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and so on. Is it clear? So exactly this inequation shows the solution set. There is not a single solution just attached with it. With each and every inequation a solution set is attached. Is it clear? So now we are just writing the definition of linear inequations and all. See, very first we should write the equation definition of linear inequation. A 1 degree inequation with one variable is called linear inequation in one variable, है ना? For example, we should write the examples. So for example, 3x plus 2 is greater than or equal to 5. This is an inequation. It may be like 3x minus 5 is greater than 4. Okay, this is greater than, here it is greater than or equal to. It may be like 3x minus 4 is less than or equal to 7, or 4x minus 9 is greater than or less than 9. This may be. Is it clear? So these may be the forms of linear inequation. Okay, the number, it will not be always integers. It may be like 3 upon 5x is minus 4 is less than or equal to 7 upon 2. This may be like this: 4 upon 3x minus 9 by 5 is less than or equal to 9 by 2. So that may be these kind of inequations. Okay, so these are called the linear inequations. Now, how to solve these equations? So there is a method of transposition. Okay, the solution set. Very first we should write the definition of solution set. Okay, solution set in the sense a set of all values of x which satisfy the given condition. Satisfy the given inequation. It is represented as, either it is represented in set builder form or in roster form. Roster form in the sense it may be represented as x belongs to, this is the solution set. It may be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on like this. Or it may be x belongs to x such that x belongs to q and x is less than 5 and greater than 1. It may be like this. Okay. This is called the set builder form. This is called the roster form or tabulation form. So these are the very important definitions of linear inequations and solution set. You must note down the definitions by just pausing the video. Okay, so I hope you just write down the all the definitions. Exactly, we should know the definitions. While we are just starting the chapter, we should not only stick to the questions directly. Okay, we need to understand what the concepts are given, because these are the concepts will be there with you. Okay, level of question used to change with the class. Okay, when you will just study linear inequations in class 11th, the level of question will change, but the concept will remain same. Is it clear? Chaliye. So now we should see how to solve the linear inequation. That is the transposition method. Transposition method. That method you are just going to study. You have studied rather in class 7th as I think. चलिए देखते हैं. Suppose I am just giving you example. What is transposition? 3x minus 7 is less than 5. So we'll just transport that 7 very first. We'll try to isolate x. x को isolate करने की कोशिश करेंगे. x को अकेला करने की कोशिश करेंगे. So what we'll do is 3x will be less than 5 plus 7. This minus 7 will just transport here. It will be just reacting as the equal to sign. Is it clear? Transposition of any positive number will take place as it is taking place in the equations. Equations में जैसा होता है वैसा ही यहाँ होगा. Is it clear? So 3x is less than 12. X is less than 12 upon 3. The 3 was there in multiplication, so it will go there in division. Now we will divide. X is less than 4. Now what is your solution? It depends upon the question. Suppose it is given x belongs to q. It was given in question. Suppose x belongs to n. It was given. So it is x is less than 4. So your answer will be, solution set S will be there 1, 2, 3. Is it clear? See that S with the set. Suppose it would be given in question that x belongs to w. यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन में गिवन रहेगा कि x कहाँ बिलोंग कर रहा है. Suppose x belongs to n, then your solution set will be that. X belongs to w, your solution set will change. Suppose x belongs to z, then your S will change. Minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Is it clear? Suppose x belongs to R. R means set of real number. It includes all the rational and irrational number, all. R can never be write like this. Please keep that in mind. R can never be written as the tabulation form. Okay, this will always be written as the set builder form. X such that x belongs to R and x is less than 4. That is all. Okay. Or you can write, that is, you need not to write. This is the solution set. Please note down this. Just make pause and note down this. I hope you have just written what is the you understood what is the transposition method. Okay, now you should come on the representation of on the number line. How to represent that on number line? See, if suppose representation of number set, representation of solution set on number scale. Okay, how to represent the solution set on the number scale? That's again very easy. How to do? See that. Suppose x belongs to 1, 2, 3. It is set of natural number. So it is our number scale 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on till infinite. -1, -2, -3, -4, minus infinite. Okay, see that now here we can represent that 1 by a dot, 2 by a dot and 3 by a dot. Only that representation is sufficient for set of natural number, because here we are including only 3 numbers. Is it clear? Now suppose it would be x belongs to R, x belongs to x such that x belongs to R such that x is less than 4. Suppose that set we are representing on the number scale. So how will we represent? See, that's very easy again. Suppose it is 0, -1, -2, -3, -4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What we'll do is, we'll just exactly before 4 means 4 is not included. So we'll just make a vacant circle over the 4. It will not be filled like this. It is blank from inside. ऐसा एक blank circle बना देंगे हम 4 पे. And then after we'll just draw a line over the number scale from 4 to minus infinite. We'll make this line darker. Okay, you can see that I have just made that line darker. So that will represent the numbers from minus infinite to 4, where x is less than 4 means 4 is not included. If it would be 4 included, then यहाँ पे हम dot पूरा filled dot बना देते. Is there any doubt? So this is the representation of solution set. Okay, you must note down that. That's very simple. Okay, now I am just making it clean. Now what I am expecting from all the students of ICSE, that this is the simplest question. After finishing, after just watching that video, please you must solve that chapter. इस वीडियो को देखने के बाद आप इस पूरे चैप्टर को सॉल्व कीजिए. ओके, नाउ आई एम जस्ट कमिंग डायरेक्टली ऑन द क्वेश्चंस. हाउ टू सॉल्व द क्वेश्चन? सी, वी आर जस्ट सॉल्विंग द क्वेश्चन. वेरी फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन आई एम राइटिंग. Question 1, solve the following inequation. Solve the following inequation. Find solution set and represent it on number scale. What is the inequation? See, -2 plus 10x -2 plus 10x is less than or equal to 13x plus 10 is less than 24 plus 10x, where x belongs to z. See, that is one of the simplest question. बहुत आसान क्वेश्चन है. Now we are going to start the solution. See, given that, what is given here? Try to understand. -2 plus 10x. is less or equal to 13x plus 10 is less or equal to 24 plus 10x. We'll just divide these into two parts. Okay, we'll take a part here by taking these two, and another part will take from here to here by taking these two. Okay, see how we can write. This implies that minus 2 plus 10x is less or equal to 13x plus 10, and 13x plus 10 is less than 24 plus 10x. Is there any doubt? That is very simple. Now we'll just transport all the numbers of x one side and all the numbers those are not including variable another side. Is it clear? So minus 2 is here, plus 10, it will be minus 2 minus 10 is less or equal to 13x minus 10x, and यहाँ पे भी same 13x, that 10x we are bringing here. We'll try to keep variable positive. Okay, x की side को हम positive रखने की कोशिश करेंगे. 24 minus 10. I have just transported and changed the sign. Now simple addition subtraction. Minus 12 is less or equal to 3x, and 3x is less or equal to 14. Is there any doubt? That's very simple. Okay, now it implies that x is greater or equal to minus 12 upon 3 and x is less than 14 by 3. So x is greater than or equal to minus 4, and here we'll write 14 by 3 into the form of mixed fraction, that is x is less than 4 integer 2 by 3. Is there any doubt? I don't think there is any doubt you are having. Okay, see, please check it minutely, note down this fast. We have determined a solution. यहाँ पे हम एक solution तक पहुंच गए. देखिए what is the solution? X is greater than or equal to minus 4 and x belongs to z, मतलब integer. So x belongs to. Now I am writing the solutions here. Minus 4 से greater है and equal है, means minus 4 will also be there. Minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, ये सब minus 4 से greater है, and less than 4. So minus 4 minus 3 dash dash dash, less than 4 means 3, 2 and 3. This is the solution set, means it include all the numbers from minus 4 till 3. You can also write in expanded form like this: minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. This is the solution set. Do you have any doubt in this? बताइए मुझे कोई डाउट है? प्लीज नोट डाउन दिस फास्ट. इसको पॉज करके पूरा नोट कीजिए, है ना? एंड देन आफ्टर वी आर जस्ट रिप्रेजेंटिंग इट ऑन नंबर स्केल. See, that was the question. It was given in 3 parts. We have taken 2 parts together, solved it, determined the equation. That in equation the conditions x is greater than or equal to minus 4. x greater है और equal है minus 4 के, मतलब minus 4 से start हो रहा है. Solution set x is less than or equal to 4 integer 2 by 3. Sorry, x will also include 4 as it is less than or equal to 4 integer 2 by 3. Okay, so 4 को भी include करेगा, minus 4 to 4. This will be the solution set. Is it clear? If suppose we are just now I am just making clean that question. See, it was the question that we'll have to represent it on the number scale. Now I am here writing the answer once again, solution set. So minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the solution set. Now representation on number scale. Now please try to understand here some special points of representation. I am just writing 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7. Very first thing is that x o x dash नाम दे दीजिए इसको. This is x o x dash है ये. ठीक है. Very first we need to understand that. Then after arrows are compulsory at corners. This is very compulsory. Otherwise you will just lose some marks. Is it clear? Third thing. पहली बात x o x dash. Second arrows. Third thing. We need to make at least 3 point both the sides extra additional. In the sense our solution set was having -4 to 4. So I have just added 3 points here and few points here. This is compulsory. You should always try to make. Okay. So now we are just representing them. So here we are making the dots. 4, 3. Why are we making dots? Because only these dots are being represented in solution set. Solution set में केवल वही नंबर इंक्लूड किए जा रहे हैं जो यहाँ डॉट में रिप्रेजेंट हो रहे हैं. समझ में आया? That is all. This is the solution representation of solution set. This is the complete solution of that first question. Try to understand that question and try to solve all the questions in the similar way. Okay, I'll just here solve each kind of question, one question. Okay, and then after you need to solve all the questions by sitting at your home. I hope you understood that solution. Please note down this solution set. Now वीडियो को पॉज करके आपने इसको नोट कर लिया होगा. आई होप नाउ आई एम जस्ट मेकिंग इट क्लीन. ठीक है. चलिए अब हम स्टार्ट करते हैं सेकेंड क्वेश्चन. है ना? सेकेंड क्वेश्चन आई एम जस्ट टेकिंग which includes at least one rational form. Rational मतलब fractional. Rational तो ये भी थे. See, suppose the question number 2. Question 2. Solve the following and represent the solution set on number line. What is that? -3x minus 7. -3x minus 7 is greater than or equal to 15 minus 7x is greater than x plus 1 by 3. Here x belongs to R. See, this is exactly a good question. It can be said it is a complete question. Complete question in the sense you can see it is real number, a question of real number. Here the solution set will be written in the different form and representation will also include something else. चलिए so solution करते हैं. Solution. Very first we'll write given that. So in given we'll write all entire question. 3x minus 7 is greater than or equal to 15 minus 7x is greater than or equal to x plus 1 upon 3. Here x belongs to R. Is there any doubt? Now we are just taking these together. -3x minus 7 is greater than or equal to 15 minus 7x and 15 minus 7x is greater than x plus 1 upon 3. That x belongs to R we need not to write always. Try to understand the second term. I don't think there is any doubt. Okay. Now what will, either we can multiply this by -3x. So minus 3x plus 21. This minus, all the sign inside will change on multiplying with minus, that you know. 15 minus 7x and here we'll just multiply that 3 here as we used to do in equations. So 3 will be multiplied in 15 minus 7x is greater than x plus 1. Is there any doubt? I don't think so. Now we'll just transport. So minus 7x will take here. So x will become positive. So this will become 7x minus 3x is greater than or equal to that. 21 will take there. So 15 minus 21. And similarly we'll multiply. So 3 15 the 45 minus 21x is greater than x plus 1. That's very easy. 7x 3x 4x is greater than or equal to minus 6. And that 45 minus 1 will bring here and minus 21x will take there. So it will become 21x plus x. Is there any doubt? I don't think there is any doubt you are having till. Okay. Here you can write that 4x is greater than or equal to minus 6. Let it write as it is, and 45 minus 1, that is 44, is greater than 22x. Now we are just taking both here. Now x is greater than or equal to minus 6 upon 4. This is the, just we have transported that 4 here, and here 22 we are transporting in the sense, and 44 upon 22 is greater than x. X is less than, so x is greater than or equal to minus 3 by 2 6 by 4 है ना. Or you can directly write in the mixed fraction one integer 1 by 2. Is it clear? So it will be minus 1.5, that is minus 3 by 2, and 2 is greater than x means x is less than 2 and x is greater than or equal to minus 1 integer 1 by 2 means now we are writing the solution set. So x belongs to x such that x belongs to R, x is a real number, and x less than and greater than or equal to, x is greater than or equal to minus 1.5, it is minus 1.5, okay, and x is less than 2. This is the solution set. Is there any doubt? That's very simple. Okay, try to understand that. Now the representation on number scale, that is again very special for here. Very fast, 0. What rules I have explained here, that you know very well, है ना. सबसे पहले 0 बनाएंगे, at least 3 point extra, so our maximum point is 2 and 3 4 5 6. Here it is minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 5. Now exactly it is what, see, minus 1.5, it is minus 1.5. less or greater or equal means that dot will be filled dot, भरा हुआ dot होगा पूरा, and I hope it is visible to you. And x is less than 2 means here it is open dot, it is called closed dot, it is called open dot. I hope you can see that clearly. मुझे लग रहा है कि आपको दिख रहा होगा, मैं थोड़ा सा और बड़ा बनाता हूँ, है ना. प्लीज ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट. Here it was 2, है ना. So it is that dot of 1.5. I think it is visible now, and it is the dot of 2. Okay, this is minus 1.5 and it is 2. Is it clear? Now we are just making this line darker in between these numbers. इन नंबर्स के बीच वाला जो लाइन है उसको मैं बहुत डार्क कर दूंगा. सो दैट विल रिप्रेजेंट दैट ईच एंड एवरी पॉइंट इन बिटवीन दीज 2 पॉइंट इज इंक्लूडेड हियर. दैट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ रियल नंबर. रियल नंबर का मतलब क्या है कि इसके बीच में जितने भी पॉइंट है दैट कंटिन्यूअस पॉइंट्स. कंटिन्यूअस पॉइंट मीन्स नॉट अ सिंगल पॉइंट इज लेस देन दैट. दिस इज द एक्चुअल रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ दैट. इज इट क्लियर?